Welcome everybody to Carol's Art Room. Today in my video I'm going to use a new pouring medium and cell activator. PBO sent me some of their ultimate pouring medium. It's made by Nancy Wood, and she also has a catalyst, which is the cell activator. So I've mixed these up according to their directions. And it comes in a box, in a kit, and inside the box there's a link to a video, instructional video. So there you go, give it a try, and I'll show you how it works. So I'll put you down and come and join me. Okay, so now I'm going to do a swipe with my ultimate pouring medium mixtures with my paints and the catalyst cell activator. Some more white paint. This is my white eggshell house paint. This is just a little tile, so you'll do a different kind of swipe. So let's maybe I'll do a puddles in the middle, try and swipe it. I might put the little green in too. I like this addition of the green. That was Yellow Green by PBO. These are all PBO paints. Okay, so let's see what I can do here. I'm not very good with the palette knife thing, but I'll try the cart again. Maybe I'll just do that's nice. I went slow that time. It works pretty good. There. So that's pretty. So now I'm going to make some designs with my skewer. Little swirlies. Give it some character. Any which way you like. Okay, so I'm going to give it a little spin. Okay, it's time to spin it out and spread those cells. I'm just trying to tilt it to one side to try and spread the colors closer to the other edge of the canvas. See if it works. There. I like it. I'm just going to leave it. So there's my swipe with my PBO paint, pouring medium, ultimate pouring medium, and the catalyst. It's pretty. It works pretty good. So there you go. Thanks for watching my PBO demonstration. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and come back to Carol's Art Room. Thank you. Hi everybody. Here's my dry tile. It dried really nice, smooth. Take you in for a close-up. I think it'll look really nice resined. There you go. Awesome. Have a good day. Bye-bye.